First step, you need to go ahead and just loosen all these bolts up through here, and then you'll take it out. Hard to talk, film, and do it all with each hand. Now, since you have it off, you can see that this one area right there is all worn down, so it's not latching or anything. So we need to fix that by replacing this or filing it. So I bought a replacement kit off AliExpress, a whole lot cheaper than going on Amazon. So this does take a little bit of work. You have to get the C clip and pop it out. I don't know how I'm gonna do this in film, but yeah, you have to pop it out. So I'll just use a little flathead. All right, so we pop the pin out. Here's this. Now we need to pull the spring out. We're just going to gently pull that out and wedge it. There we go. And then it's gonna have a little bit of tension, so you go ahead and just open this back up. There we go. You can see where I lifted off there. Okay, I took it off. It's just a little so yeah, but just remember which way it goes in. So it goes in like that, and this goes in there. You can even see a mark right there from the spring. So in this kit, you get the clip, you get yourself a little tool to adjust it, you get a screw, the adjusters right there, so you can adjust this bump right here manually. So it's very convenient. Normally this is like a $30 kit, but I got it on AliExpress for not that much at all. So highly recommend that. But Amazon is also an option, and I'll put a link down below. Amazon, you can get it faster. So if you're really having a problem with it, then, well, that'd be probably the best option than waiting 4 weeks plus, possibly. So to adjust how far it sticks out, you need to stick this little tiny screw bolt thing in there like that, and you can adjust how far you want it out. So it can smack this section that you see here, and it'll keep it locked in place. I always like to put it all the way down as flat as you can, just for the time being, and then you can adjust it later on. Other thing nice about this kit is there's a little slot there, so you cannot stick this in incorrectly. It just lines right up. So when I do this, I always like to hold it upside down, and there's a hole right there. You need to get the bottom of this once you line it up. You just do that, make sure it's aligned. You're going to try to keep it together, but it's kind of difficult. Just have to realign, there we go. And then you have to bend it a little bit back once you have it in place, like so. And you might have to twist it, and there you go. Now you need to make sure you can get the thing through. And right here we have it replaced after a little bit of moving around and getting the clip on, so it should be good to go. When testing it, it seems to work. So let's go try it out. So it's been about 3 months since I filmed it, and this thing works amazingly well. Like, that's not going anywhere. Still works great. There we go. And locks right in, and both sides are great. And while I was at it, I went ahead and did it to one of my other Miatas. So highly recommend buying this. Super cheap, helps out, and it cuts down on noise when you're on the highway.